COVID-19 pandemic, but we want to get to some other news here that we are seeing across the board right here on NewsNOW from Fox. This is a big one here as the Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton sued Battleground states Pennsylvania, Georgia, Michigan, and Wisconsin today to challenge their 2020 presidential election results. He said using the COVID-19 pandemic as a justification, government officials in the defendant states of Georgia, Michigan, and Wisconsin and the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania usurped their legislature's authority and unconstitutionally revised their state election statutes, Paxton's complaint says. They accomplished these statutory revisions through executive fiat or friendly lawsuits, thereby weakening ballot integrity. Paxton is asking the U.S. Supreme Court to, quote, declare that any electoral college votes cast by such presidential electors appointed in defendant states Pennsylvania, Georgia, Michigan, and Wisconsin are in violation of the Electors Clause and the 14th Amendment of the U.S. Constitution and cannot be counted. Disputes between states are among the few cases of original jurisdiction for the Supreme Court, meaning lower courts cannot first hear the cases. The 4 states are among a handful where the Trump campaign is trying to overturn results that handed President-elect Joe Biden the victory. Pennsylvania, Georgia, Michigan, and Wisconsin have certified the results, but the Trump campaign is continuing to exhaust its legal options, including through a lawsuit filed last week in Wisconsin. The election, quote, suffered from significant and unconstitutional problems in the defendant states, the filing says, citing the appearance of voting issues in the defendant states that would be consistent with the unconstitutional relaxation of ballot integrity protection in those states' election laws. A Democratic lawyer, Mark Elias, who has been involved in election-related cases in many states, weighed in on the suit on Tuesday, saying, my answers to your questions, no, I am not worried. No, this won't succeed. I have no idea, he's then said at the end of his tweet there. So we'll continue to follow that breaking news development here on NewsNOW from Fox. We do want to go and now take you back out to some more COVID-19 related stories here, and this one